Hello, my name's Lissy from BYD Stoke and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this BYD Sealion 782.5 kWh design. Now this vehicle is an electric with an automatic transmission and is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 20-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish really complementing against the exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the car, you can find your electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you have a large amount of space. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Now this vehicle does come supplied with a 3-pin plug charging cable along with your vehicle to load, so perhaps if you're going camping and you have devices or things that need to be kept on charge, you are able to do so. And as well as this, it also comes with a standard wall box charging cable. As this vehicle is an electric car, it has a range of up to 283 miles. On a 7kW charger on a standard charge it can take up to 8.5 hours, and on a rapid charge it can take up to 32 minutes. Moving to the rear seats, you can find your black vegan leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, or you could fold it away to carry that 5th passenger. Moving to the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system. Once again, you can find that lovely upholstery providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort on any journey. This car does in fact have a fixed panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 2,905 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, which is also rotational between portrait and landscape, so you can pick whichever one is suited to you, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring that you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have a navigation system which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, along with your DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. You also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay supported via a USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music whilst on the go. And you also have Spotify, so if you have a Spotify account you were able to log in and listen to your playlist whilst travelling. And this vehicle also has a 360 view camera, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. Moving to your climate control, you have a dual zone climate where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. Now this vehicle does in fact have heated seats throughout the vehicle, and with an addition the front seats also are ventilated with a heated steering wheel for the driver. This has been a presentation on the BYD Sealion 782.5 kWh design that's now available to purchase from BYD Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.